So Tomzon, they asked me if I'd like to check out their A23-W mini camera drone. So of course I said yes. So thanks Tomzon for sending this. So let's open the box, see what we get with it, and then we're gonna test everything out. And you see here what we all get. We get a user manual, which is in multiple different languages, but you get very clear instructions. We get a set of spare propellers, a USB charger with a dual charging end. So then you can charge your 3.85 volt lithium ion batteries, and they are proprietary. So they fit right in there. You just clip it in right like that. And here is the controller. The controller is a decent sized gaming style controller. Buttons are clearly marked. We'll test it all out. And then you also get a phone clip. Goes in right like that. And it's spring loaded to lock your phone in there. Now it comes with this because this is a camera drone. So being that it's a camera drone, you are gonna have to download the app onto your phone. So we'll check out the app, how easy it is to use. So nice job, Tomzon. So far, packaging, the user manual, the feel of the controller, the drone, it's looking good so far, but that's just looks. So let's test out the performance. All right, it's time to test out this Tomzon A23-W. So the head is the camera, tail is this LED, it's a red LED. When you start up, you want the head facing away from you, tail facing towards you. That helps with headless mode and one key return. So let's turn this on, and turn the controller on, and then we get an auto bind. As you can see, it does come with a lot of colored LEDs, really looks cool. And then with the white propellers, you can see it shine through the propellers. So first thing you want to do is, this is the calibrate button. So you want to calibrate the gyro in there, and you saw the flashing. Now we're ready to take off. So there's 3 ways to take off. The first way is the easiest way, and that is just one key takeoff, which is right there. And then you hit that to land. It's drifting away. We're gonna have to trim it out. Come on, land. There we go. And then the other way to take off is take the sticks down and in. Now the propellers are going, so you just hit up on the left stick, and there you go. Now the third way to take off, and you can just land it with the stick too. Third way to take off is, this has the throw option where you can just throw it up in the air. So as I mentioned, the trim does need adjusted, which is this button here. As you can see, it's drifting. Must be a slight breeze. Yeah, there has to be a slight breeze because it just does. Yep, I feel it. So we can turn the speed up, second rate, third rate. Now it's fighting against that little breeze. So maybe you want to fly this indoors because then you don't have to deal with the elements. So there's the third rate. So let's try headless mode. That's this button here, just a quick press. And now it's flashing. See, the head is, I like spinning around just to show that the head is in all different directions. But when I hit right, it goes right. When I hit left, it goes left. Same with forward and backward. So headless mode works. Let's get out of that. Now let's do one key return, which is a long press, and now it wants to come right back. So, all right, let's do some flips because this does flips. There's a front flip. Whoa. Let's do a roll to the left, roll to the right. Whoa, that was a front flip. Whoa, what happened? What happened? Okay, there was a roll to the right and a front flip. All right, well, not too bad on the flips. Altitude hold, I forgot to mention that. So it does do 2 different modes. It does a rotation mode and circle mode. So that's this button here. If you just tap it, that's the rotation mode where it just like yaws in place. We'll hit to get out of that. And then we can hold that button in, and now it does that circle mode where it just like goes in a circle. I see the wind's kind of pushing it a little bit. But you just hit any button in or any stick to get out of that mode. So that is pretty much everything with the transmitter. The only thing is there's this little lightning bolt here, and that's to turn the LEDs off. So maybe you want to turn them off if it's pretty bright out or something. Also, it'll save your battery a lot more if you fly without the LEDs on. So let's land this. And now you can clip in the phone mount. So you can go into the FlyCam app, click on that. It's saying that it's connected to your drone. So we're gonna mount it in that phone mount. We'll hit start and it should access, yep. Now it accessed the camera to the drone, and now we can fly FPV. So let's fly FPV. The camera seems to be angled down, but you can take pictures. If you hit this button here, or you hit this camera button, and then you can take video as well. Let's see here. What's that? Oh, there's a cat. There's a cat. I didn't even know that cat was here. So we can stop that. You can also take pictures and video from the controller. So now I can't because I have low voltage. So you see the LEDs are flashing, and now I have low voltage. So good thing this comes with 2 batteries. But as we change this battery, you can also fly the drone just using the app and not use the controller. So we'll turn the drone on. Let's go back here to home. Let's see, it should connect after a little bit. Once you get the Wi-Fi and everything set up, it'll automatically connect to the phone. See there, you just saw it went orange, so we're connected. So now it's telling you that the remote is not detected, that's okay, because we can fly it with our phone. So here is the auto takeoff, and then that's how you land too. And then over here is your camera controls, your photo album here. And then this is for your flight intelligent modes. So you have your rates here, you have your headless mode, your calibration for your gyro, and then down here is your intelligent flight. So you can do the virtual controller, which that's on, which when you touch the screen, it turns into your control sticks. Then there's the somotosensory mode, or somatosensory, I don't know how to say it. And then the trajectory flight, where you can trace a flight pattern that you want it to fly. Let's get into that and let's take off. So we have to slide that toggle over, and now we can take off. Just touch the screen and that controls the drone. Okay, let's go into intelligent mode here, and we'll put it up to the 3rd rate, which is the fastest. I always find it harder to fly with the control pads on the screen because, let's come down, let's fly over here, let's yaw around, because you just don't have the feel like you do with actual sticks. So let's come back up here. Let's check out headless mode. So let's see here. Let's yaw. Yeah, headless mode works in that. Let's get out of headless mode. Okay. Let's do, oh, hold on, I'm flying away here. Come on back, come on back. Now let's try this Senso. Whoa, where's it going? Stop. Okay. You see, when it, hold on, where's it going? When you go into that, do you have to have your phone like perfectly straight up and down? Let's see here. No, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, okay, you have to have it level like this. Ah, okay. See, there's no instructions on how to do this, like in the book. It just tells you what the, so now we, yep, okay, so if you keep your, okay, cool, that's cool. Back, now let's go forward. Okay. All right. Well, that's actually, it doesn't yaw though. Like, it doesn't yaw. It just forward, backwards, left. Now let's go right and bring it over here. Okay, whoa, we're losing altitude here. Okay, let's get out of that. So that's cool. Now that I figured it out, let's try this trajectory. Let's see here. Let's go like this. Okay, so it's showing on the screen that the drone is supposed to be flying in that. It is moving, like it is. Now it should be coming back to the left. Come on, to the left, right. Well, it is moving, so like it's not really following the exact flight pattern that I gave it, but it is moving. It's doing something. And that should be it. Okay, so now it's just drifting. Let's get out of that. All right, well, hey, I went through everything. Now you can see it's flashing like that. So we are in low voltage mode right now, and well, low voltage detection, and we'll just fly around, see how long of battery we get, bring it back over here to the court. Let's see what it does, if it just shuts off or if it slowly comes back down to the ground. Oh, there it goes. Oh, got some life back into it again. Oh, it's coming down now. It's coming down, and that's it. So that is the full battery. So there you saw the Tomzon A23-W. So if you want to do some FPV type flying, it's really hard to do that because of the way the camera is angled down. So it would be nice if it was adjustable, so that way you could fly FPV, or you could have it angled if you did want to get a picture or a little video or something. But to have it angled down like that all the time, I found it to be a little bit of a disadvantage. But that's it. Other than the camera angle, and maybe it could be a little bit faster, I really have nothing else to complain about. The controller and all the functions worked really good, and the app actually seemed to be pretty good. It wasn't glitchy, and you didn't get disconnected from it. You had a decent range. I could go like 40, 50 feet and have no problem with connection to the app. So all the intelligent modes and the intelligent flight modes, they all worked pretty well. The only one that didn't really work, and maybe it was the outside affecting it, was the trajectory mode. But that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button so that way you can join me when I check out the next Ready to Run RC.